everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles and this is Rosemary, also known as vivikarrina, and I got a package from New York Soap. I want to show you, I won't show you the package in here because it's big. Okay, I ordered 4 of this, and I will order more if I have time because they are discontinuing these molds. These are 7-pound molds, maybe 7.5 pound. This is made 18 bars of 1-inch soap, and it's 3. Let's see, this says 3 something. So it's 3.25 wide. Let me check. Let me double check. Okay. Yes, it's is this, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's 18 long, 3.25 wide, and 3.5 high. They are discontinuing this mold, and is there. So I am hoping that I get time to get more of this mold because they are really thick silicone, and I will be needing this. They're basically like this one, but longer. So yeah, and I got 4. So I also got ordered from the surplus. That is that they are in the surplus. They are selling what they have there, and they are not coming. Those are not coming back. So I ordered 2 red violet mica. This pretty mica is a magenta, like those are 1 ounces. They're inexpensive. You buy surplus. I ordered 2 pink lemonade. It's so pretty. I ordered I think I ordered 3 pink lemonade mica. Not sure, maybe it was really inexpensive. Bluebell mica. Another pink lemonade mica. I didn't order 4, so I need to check that. I ordered Brandeis blue mica. It's pretty. I ordered magnesium sterate and silk series. This is for cosmetic, make lotions and stuff like that. I ordered 2 of silk and 2 magnesium. So I need to check if I ordered 4. I remember now. I ordered 4 ounces, and maybe they didn't have the 4 ounces, so they sent me 4 package of 1 ounces. Oh, that's okay. Anyways, that is what I got in this order. It wasn't expensive, but I ordered 4 molds, so I need more before they discontinue them. They're so nice, and my family made my wood molds. So the samples, the freebies, I got 2 freebies. And I got electric blue mica. Oh wow, this is electric. Oh goodness, looks so powerful in here. Pretty. And I got a fragrance oil. This is their new packaging label. Yes, very different and pretty. Bourbon Street. Let's see. Oh, okay. I cannot say that I love it. It's a manly scent, but I don't love it. It will be good for a shaving soap, but for a bath soap I don't love it. And it's compared to Lush, the voice of reason. I don't think so, but okay. No. It's nice. It's a nice smell, but not for a soap. No, not for a soap. Maybe for lotion or a shaving soap. Anyways, that's my opinion. That's my taste. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And go check Nature Soap. They have a good sale. Bye bye. Love you all. Blessings.